In many cars where the battery is in front, sometimes it might be a little bit hard to get this positive power cable inside the car through the firewall. Luckily, pretty much every car has some kind of hole in the firewall where these original cables are going through, and there's also some kind of a rubber sealing. In this car, this hole is behind this coolant reservoir tank. I have to find a place for this fuse box for this power cable. This power cable to the car behind this is some kind of rubber which I can use to make this cable through. I have to take this away first. That's the rubber which will take all the cables inside the car. And I think this small part, kind of a nipple here, I can hopefully use this to take my power cable inside. And here inside the car I can see the same small nipple. This seems to be quite small and my cable is a little bit bigger. I hope it will give up a little bit, but that's what I'm going to try. This thing is so tight. Now everything here is back together. Except this one, of course, I will connect it here when everything is ready. This was a little bit tricky. It's very tight fit, and here is a sensor on the bottom, and this sensor it's quite hard to put back. And don't forget this clip, that's important. I almost forgot the speaker cable from the front and also from the rear door. Now it's there with this power cable. Running cables, that's really not my favorite job to do, and I think I still have the most difficult part left, and that's how I'm going to get these cables to the doors. Can I do it with these thick cables, or do I have to use partly these original cables? That's still a question. I'm waiting so much that I can start to install amplifier and start to build the subwoofer box. I think that's going to be my favorite part of this build, subwoofer box. This piece, that's from the trunk, and I was thinking that I could maybe install this amplifier inside here. The problem is that here's some strange things, I don't know what these are for. I don't want to cut these away, so I have to install this amplifier here. Because of that I have to modify this a little bit, so I will cut this away. The power cable and some speaker cables are coming from here, and other signal cables are coming from here. So also these I have to modify a little bit. On the top of this is coming this board, which is in the trunk. Is this amplifier going to heat up too much? That's a good question. It is a digital amplifier, so it won't heat that much than analog, but I think I have to make this board, which is coming on the top, I have to make this new. Then I will cut a hole, which is the size of this amplifier, that it can breathe. This subwoofer box, I don't know yet how I will do it. It's not going to be very big box, so it's coming maybe partly on top of this amplifier, but I think it doesn't matter. That's my plan for now.